words. Okay. So I'll share my screen.
Nara.
Let me know if you see my screen. Tingog lang mo. Or mag thumbs up. Okay. So atong topic today, guys, is more on funnels. O mangutanas ako, just feel free to interact. What is your level of exposure aning funnels? Naaba mo yung nabalaan sa ng funnels? Or ngano na interest mo mag-join? Aside sa libre ni webinar. Bitaw, pero about how much po ang premium sa Zoom? Wala ko ga premium sa Zoom kay I didn't have a need for it. I think premium tong isa na mo ka Zoom sa kagawad na account. So, kato guys, what is your level of exposure sa mga funnels? Pwede po mo mag-ingon nga wala, zero. So, ayaw lang mo kaulaw. In a scale of 1 to 10 ako ito. Okay, thanks, I am. Kaunti lang. Okay, sure, thanks. Phil. Ang uban, maulaw yung sila maningog. Uy, ang sarap. Kinahanglan mo magpakita ta sa cam, ani? So that maningog mo.
Yan ako tingog kagawad, napoy gina-edit ka dali.
Okay lang. So, okay. Because I wanna go in the level of your understanding unsa ning funnels, pero kani very beginner friendly mangyapon ni akong ipang tudlo sa inyo about funnels because I wanna make sure na dili pug kaayo lisod kuan ba sabton. Now, marketing funnels murag kuan na siya kung familiar mo aning mga embudo. Murag sa buyer's journey naa siya padulngan nga mga levels gani before sila makapalit because dili man good linear or straight lang padulong diretso palit na dayon ng mga tao sa inyong mga ginapang baligya. Yes, naka-join na si Floor atong ay wait. Wait lang, i-mute na ko ang mga ano. Saan man ipag-mute? Participants. Ara, nakamute naman niya eh. Anyway, tama, murag page builder siya, pero depende po na sa imong ginagamit nga mga platforms. Pero ang main focus gid sa mga funnels is to guide the buyers kung asa sila padulong, asa sila gikan, and makakonect ka sa ilaha regardless of unsa nga stage na sila sa funnel. So some other common terms na makita ninyo while you're encountering ng mga marketing funnels is CMS. Mao ni ang content management system. Pwede ning WordPress if you're familiar with that. Kuan siya, murag application online mostly. Diyan ninyo ginabutang tong mga kinahanglan ninyo mga content for your funnels, like mga images, mga videos. So common siya na ginagamit nato is WordPress na apoy kaning mga Drupal, Webflow, kanang mga free builders like Wix or Weebly. Then marketing automation, GHL is very useful if you've been exposed to that. There are also other types of funnel platforms na pwede nyo magamit for you to experience automation. Pero most commonly, ginagamit siya para ang mga routine nga ni na marketing tasks, like for example, mag-follow up, mga chatbots, mga na wala na yung need for human intervention kay murag brainless na kayo ang pagtubag, pwede na siya for automation. Pero aid lang siya, murag first level of response man good ang mga automation. So if dili na makaya, very complex na ang mga process, diya na magsugod ang human intervention. Pero magamit ninyo ang funnels in order to automate things and save time in the long run. Email marketing kani, kung wala pa mo access sa mga premium na mga funnel builder sites like JHL kay ano very mahal gyud ang mga ana nga sites. You can try mga freemium. Ang ginatawag na payment structure nila is limited lang kaayo. So pwede mo mag-try og mga freemium na mga email marketing platforms like Mailchimp, MailerLite, daghan pa man na. You just research alternatives to Mailchimp and you'll find something that's going to be resonating with you. So I highly recommend Mailchimp and MailerLite because sa MailerLite makagamit mo sa ilhang automation for free. So freemium means that maka-access ka sa ubang mga services nila sa ilang mga features. But not all, na limits. Like for example, dili ka makasend up to this number of emails, dili pwede mong lampas og a number of subscribers. Marana. So, natay mga new participants. Let's say hi to them. Hello, Kagawad Alex. Thanks for being here. Si Christian, hello. Murag sa mga previous purok ni siya na nag-join karon. Then, are we done with this? Okay. Also, ang email marketing, mostly ginagamit siya to help your brand become more visible because sa funnel, mostly mag-nurture man ta within the kanang sa tunga-tunga na gani. Either diri na part sa desire and action kay sa awareness and diri sa advocacy, more on ano naman siya, engagement and building brand awareness lang. So most of the time kaning consideration stage dira sa tunga, dira nimo matan-awan ang mga pang-nurture para sure na pag human nila ma-aware sa imong brand, mupalit na sila sa imo after a few more touch points. Good evening. Okay. So why funnels are important? Because as I've said, buyer's journey dili gyud na siya straight line. Kung sulod gani ang isa ka customer sa isa ka bag-o nga store, dili usahay mag window shopping lamang gani, di ba? That is for physical stores. How much more online? Daghan kayong options, ang attention sa mga tao mag-grab yun sila sa lain-lain parts. And ang customer either mo tan-aw sa na or maniid sa mga other options, alternatives. So ang purpose sa funnel is to make sure na even though ang mga customers ninyo online mag-enter or exit sa different parts sa system ninyo sa inyong funnel, maka-sure mo nga there are certain parts in your system na maka-reach out gyapon sa kanila, ma-meet ninyo ang customers any parts of the funnel. So those parts, as I have provided earlier tong sa funnel, mostly na ay 3 to 4 parts lang ang funnel. So dili man siya kanang ingon nga kanilang gyud ang definitive na parts, pero most of the time mao gyud ni ang mugawas if mag-research mo about funnels. Awareness is ang by the way, before I provide you more details about this, for each parts of this funnel na ay different levels on how to market or send a message to people. Kay kung tayo na bilong pa sila sa awareness stage, dili pwede nga mag-conversion na mo kay wala pa man sila consideration sa inyong brand, sa inyong product, services. So, mali to siya nga kind of messaging. For awareness, most of the time, ang mga brands kinahimo nila is kanang in your face, direct in your face nga mga ads. For example, wala pa kakaila aning mga bagong produkto, pero interested na ka sa ana nga problem or solution na ilang gino-offer. Di pa ka sa awareness stage. Unsa ba usually brands like, I don't know if wala pa mo kagamit, kaning mga marketing tools like si MailChimp, kung makakita mo silang ads and you don't know their service yet, they'll probably provide you with something that would make you understand what MailChimp is all about. Kay awareness level pa man ka. Sa consideration, if you already are familiar with a brand, for example, local brand, Grab, na kay makita nila kung wala pa yung gagamit og Grab, na kay makita nila mga funny na mga ads nila because it helps them become top of mind gani when it comes to conversion later on. Sa conversion, di na nimo ipakita ang murag edge nimo in comparison to your competitors. Nganong ikaw ang dapat pilion out of all these other alternatives in the market. Once you have gone through all that stage, awareness, consideration, conversion, most probably na ay later level na mahimo ang customer pag nahuman na siya conversion, which is kaning loyalty, brand loyalty, which means sa ani nga level sa conversion and loyalty dapat murag engagement na lang ka magpadayon ng imuhang customer service sa mga existing customers because you'd want them generally to not just become one-time buyers. Ang goal sa funnel is to make sure nga mo palit sila usab or mahimo silang brand ambassadors na bisan dili paid kay they like whatever it is you're selling so much, gina-promote na nimo sila nila kamo while not being paid for it. So murag mauna ang goal, retention kay syempre mas lisod man gud magkuha og bagong customers. That's a very difficult part of the entire marketing system na to generate new leads and to get more people to buy things mo go through pa sila sa tanang stages, whereas if na-convert na nimo ni mga tao kintay naa na sila sa conversion stage, loyal na sila sa imuha, it's going to be easier for ay, sorry. Hello, Sir Romer. Ako kang i-mute. Sorry. So, asa na ta? So, kung na-convert na magud sila daan, murag higher chances na mopalit na pud sila og mga bag-ong butang from you. Dili na kaayo lisod, dili na uphill ang battle ba to upsell them things or downsell. So, upsell is when you sell them new things that are of higher value and price. Downsell is murag easier to get but lower ang pricing. So, that's that for mostly sa parts sa funnels. Now, what is the relevance of this in copywriting? I want to bring up this notion because ang uban man good kung wala pa mo na-expose sa copywriting. The students previously sa purok 1, 2, 3 murag naa sila idea what copywriting is. Katong mga wala pa idea what copywriting mostly is, na ako'y nabasahan nga nag-comment sa isa ka video na to nga murag copy pasting lang daw ang copywriting. So let's remove that misconception because copywriting is more like salesmanship through the written word. Kung if ever na-expose na mo sa sales in your past work or school, wherever, murag magamit nimo to nga skill as a copywriter. na mag-convert og people into sales, pero more on sa copy. Pwedeng copy sa website, copy sa imong blog, pwede gani copy sa mga videos, kanang mga scripts. So it's not one type of industry lang. Gamit kayo ang copywriting sa tanang mga niches, sa tanang mga industries. That's why whenever we go on lives, we tell you it's one essential fundamental skill to have, because tanan man gyud ta in kung tan-awon nimo in matters of doing things in life, na atay mga decision making, one way or another, we sell ourselves. Kung mag-apply ta, we sell why we are the best person to fill the role. Kung mangbaligya ta, diretso na gyud na, sales na gyud ang tumong ni mga na. Kung kinta you're in a relationship, you're trying to woo someone, you're selling yourself. Why are you the best guy around or girl na mahimo sa in relationship? So in many stages of our life, regardless of whether work pa na or dili, you have to think of it as a way to enhance yourself and salesmanship. So if you aim to become a copywriter, I want to be able to train you to become a dynamic copywriter, nga dili lang copywriter, mahimo mong marketer and manager, kadugayan, because ang world of copywriting, kung mag-stop lang ka sa copywriting yun, murag mahimo lang kang factory worker na nag-produce kag quantity sa mga articles, wala ka nakasabot sa entire process. That's why I'm giving you like an overview of funnels, because this is one of those very lucrative na mga niches na pwede niyo masudlan na magamit ninyo yung copywriting skills. Kung makasabot mo, why it's important, why do companies have funnels. And by the way, funnels, dili lang yun siya kaning digital. Mostly digital na jud karon kay pag human sa pandemic, na human na magitang mga traditional ways. So, naapod na yung traditional funnels if you go to the mall or wherever it is that someone's selling you something. Lagi na yung funneling. So, ganin lang karon mas dali na kay digital. So, aside from that, kung dynamic copywriter, marketer, manager mo, mas higher ang chances of getting premium clients gani later on in your career or your journey. And to be able to command premium prices, dapat ang imong value as a copywriter does not end as your role to convert people. Dapat mahimo pug kang something else for the company. Pero actually, being a copywriter, very duol na kayo na siya sa sales. Kay kung maka-convert ka ni kag tao na mahimo silang customers, mobayad, very highly valuable na ka for a company. How much more if kabalo ba gyud kag mahimong marketing genius or manager skills. So as a marketer, we help increase bottom lines sa company through awareness and holistic digital and offline campaigns. Pasabot, we do not just target the audience, we also provide them ways to interact with the company or the brand through certain platforms and targeted campaigns, digital or offline, nga ma-make sure gyud ang brand awareness mo taas para ma-funnel sila through the consideration and conversion stages sa funnel. And managerial, more on, because later on, basin mahimo na kang lead copywriter, you'll eventually be able to handle different types of individuals in your team, or different types of customers. Kay naamang usahay very difficult customers. As a manager or someone handling customer relationship, you should be able to understand ang dynamic sa inyong relationship para dili siya mahimong irate, unsaon yung pag-de-escalate. These things you'll eventually learn, because sa atong course, we'll be able to teach you how to trigger people into buying things, not just through straightforward na mga sales techniques, but also kani mga psychological triggers. So, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions about that or something is unclear. So, another thing to consider, usually ang mga tao, sorry sa iring na nagboxing, kuan man gud, naa sila'y question unsay kalahian sa sales versus marketing funnel. So, gi-versus na ko na kay ang iring nagaana-ana siya. So, murag na siya kalaban. Naglaban ba ang sales ug marketing? For me, no. Because these are just parts of the entire system. Dili sila nagbangi nga parts sa system. They are together. So, ang next slide na anay, murag handshake, because marketing, we help generate awareness, we bridge knowledge gaps kanang mga later part sa process or sa inyong sales nga wala pa nakabalo ang mga tao, di mo mag-insert og new knowledge para mahimong consideration sa mga tao. And then intensify ang branding. So unsa ba ang voice sa brand? Very salesy ba? Or story-like na ay mga brands manggod na dili kay sila ganahan o direct sales approach. Murag ganahan sila pasikot-sikot. Naapoy as a marketer, we qualify if ang leads na atong makuha kanang mga customers is sales worthy already. Para pagtunol nato sa mga leads sa sales team, mas higher ang chances na ma-convert sila. Sa sales, ang goal sa sales people is to increase ang revenue nato both for initial kaning mga bag-o lang na expose ng mga tao sa system, sa inyong marketing, sa inyong brand, sa inyong company, and of course, build loyalty sa mga repeat customers. Like katong ganina, engage na to sila para mahimo silang brand ambassadors on their own. Or reward them. Kay ang katong goal nato is murag voluntary. Na mag yun ay mo volunteer gyud nga mag hatag sila awareness sa imong brand, sa imong company services on their own. Pero naapoy uban nga ganahan pud sila murag mas motivate sila if na ay reward something na kapalit sa ilang time to promote you guys. So here's something that you need to understand. Ang isa ka good funnel marketer, you have to be able to like train yourself to see patterns and steps in anything. Kay even in kaning mga YouTube, magtanaw lang kag YouTube, usahay kuan man gud no kaning consumption nato for entertainment purposes lang. So try in a way i-shift lang nimo ang mindset nimo na while you're consuming content, there are certain levels in this video I'm watching na murag magpadayon ko og tan-aw because there's something interesting, murag gihagad ta sa mga naga-video na mag-subscribe or magpalit, or in the end mahimo tang kaning brand loyal na mga customers kay mo promote ta sa ilang mga videos. So if you're able to like train yourself to see patterns and steps in anything that you consume, mas dali ka makakita og funnels in the wild bisan pag dili ads. Kay ang pasabot lang sa funnels, murag naapay next step into something that you're already consuming. Dili lang mahuman or magundang sa dira lang ka magtan-aw or mag-consume sa content. Na ay next step gyud kanang mag-sign up kag email, you subscribe or like a page, channel. Mao na akong pasabot sa mga steps. So another is kaning you have to be able to understand that essential sa ato if you are planning to become a funnel marketer. Makasabot ka sa context sa funnel na existing sa customer karon sa imuhang client before ka maka-optimize sa tanang mga putang dira sa ilang funnel. Because kung wala ka nakasabot na unsa itong ilang funnel, dili man nimo ma-optimize, dili ka maka-perform og necessary na action items nimo para makakita ka kung unsaon pag-improve sa ilahang problem. So kinahanglan pud murag naa kay problem solving skills later on. expectation that one small tweak has the potential to change everything. So sa funnel man gud na siya moving parts na ay sa una kanang mosulod sila sa imong funnel siguro email list, so na-form. Ang next sa form is na thank you page, murag dira sila mag-ingon kung asa ka padulong next, then naay mag-email sa imo so padulong sa imong inbox. Next step na pud to, what to expect when you subscribe, and then they will provide you with more nurturing emails. So you have to understand as a funnel marketer, any small change, bisag asa ato nga parts, will provide a very big change sa ubang magkascade siya ba, murag domino effect na kung mag-change ka sa form, gitanggal nimo ang email, di na mo andar. Kung gitanggal nimo ang name, di ka makakita sa kung kinsa ang name, di nimo ma-personalize ang emails. So a small change, even in just one part of the funnel, will affect your entire system. So that's one thing to understand, to be aware of. And then you have to also become more patient because ang possibility nga mag-repeat yung ka sa process, important man gud as a marketer, in general, testing ta. So general rule of thumb when it comes to this kind of systems, dili lang ka magbutang og one step na humana ka na test nimo karon, okay na. What if maguba na siya while imuhang butang na gyud sa actual customers? So it's better na before that happens, na maguba sa customers, masakpan na nimo dayon ang mga possible things that would go wrong. So sa ikaw as a marketer, dapat very diligent ka to test your process, to test your entire system over and over again. Dili ka dapat magundang because the more you test, the better it is that you have na mga results before pa makita ang outcome sa mga customers. So, dapat na kay patience na mag-repeat gyud o balik-balik gyud ka sa mga process. Then, knowing that you will never have all the answers at all times. Humility, because as marketers, dili man gyud tanang platforms mabalaan nato, dili man gyud tanang systems mahimutang swito. So we should have humility in order to understand that we need someone else to provide us with answers. Pwede po tayong magkugi to find it on our own, pero knowing na in every system, for example, sa GHL, naag yun na mga support groups or dedicated support team sila na mas familiar sa platform kaysa sa ato. Naapod sila yung mga knowledge base. So we have to rely on these things kung dili pa kita expert, because if something could go wrong, it will probably go wrong. Labi nag-funnels o mag-live na. So you have to know that you can rely on, labi na kung maghatag si client sa imong access premium, you can rely on the good support system na i-provide sa platform na imong pagapiton, and kanang knowledge base. So those are two things that you could rely on whenever something is beyond our understanding. Kay I have a funny quote about this anecdote. Kay recently katong akong gi-post about katong nabasahan ninyo na funnel mo diri nga webinar is sa Kajabi noon to siya. Kajabi is a course platform. Yeah, na-optimize na ako tanan. I've done everything correctly and to the process and to the best of my ability. Pero di gyud mo andar ang welcome email. Now, when I tested, wala gyoy, nag-test ko, I think 4 email addresses. Wala ako naka-receive sa email na pang-welcome sa atong nga funnel. So, I had tried contacting the support. Very nice ang Kajabi support. If you ever experience using Kajabi, it's one of the best course builders out there. Pero medyo premium po ang pricing. And ang support, nag-ingon siya sa kuha nga, I'll check the problem. But later on, naghatag siya answer sa kuha na beyond my control, di ay ang problem. Kay murag nag-error sa ilang system nga nung dili mo sulod ang mga email. So, these things that can go out of your control, na ang support lang, ang admin, back-end lang ang makatabang sa imuha, these are expectations gyud kung mag-funnel mo. So, in the end, tama akong gibuhat, nag-ingon siya, gi-confirm niya, you did everything correct, our system fucked up. So, murag, na ang error, wala sa ako ang part, but in the system. So, also understand that even in the most robust of systems, things could go wrong. And if you cannot do anything about it, use whatever it is that's available for you na resources para ma-resolve. Kay in the end, kita man ang sad-an sa client, nganong wala pa ninahuman, nganong wala pa na test. So dapat buhaton nimo tanang imong dapat buhaton na makaya hantod sa makaya sa system para ma-resolve ang problem. Now, some soft and hard skills. The first four are soft skills that probably you will need in order to become successful at what you do as a funnel marketer. Patience, katong ganina, like because magbalik-balik yun ang tanang butang. Humility, that you will not know everything and all the answers in the world. Analytical skills, because as a funnel marketer, as I've told you, daghan kay moving parts ang funnel. You have to understand that in one place, pwedeng maguba, nganong na-connect siya diri sa last part na guba gyapon bisag nag-under na ang nasa tunga. So dapat na kay mo analytical skills nganong naunsa tong connection ato nganong sa sugod naguba sa tunga wala sa tumoy naguba na pod. Dapat murag na kay analytical skills na ing ana. Problem solving skills. Now, I want to focus more on this because most of the time as VAs, as freelancers, ang general training nato is to focus on the details. Murag mahimot ang detail-oriented sa ato mga tasks. Dapat wala tayong ma-miss sa mga words, sa mga systems, sa mga tasks, mga ana. That's right, and that's okay. Because need man yun na. Essential skill yun ang problem-solving skills. And attention to detail as a VA, as a freelancer. Pero, as a funnel marketer, you have to develop another type of view when it comes to funnel or marketing in general. Dapat na akay murag big picture view, murag bird's eye view. Or kung i-compare na to micro versus macro lens. Because ang micro lens katong details, unsa ang nahitabo ani nga funnel part, unsa ang na-experience sa customer diri, nakatubag batag sakto or tama ani nga customer, mao nang micro. Macro is how the entire system works together. Makita ni mura kag eagle, nagtanaw ka sa ubos. Yeah, makita nimo tanang parts sa cycle sa entire funnel na makatan-aw ka dayon nga diri naguba. So makamando ka nga diri siya ang mga tao diri pwede na to himuag process nga masayunan sila enter sa funnel or sa kinatumyan dili sila ma-funnel through to another stage. So murag sa bird's eye view makita nimo ang overall picture, dili lang ang focused view. Murag general versus detailed view. As a funnel marketer, you have to have both kay makita nimo ang details and the overall process. Unsa ang overall goal atong funnel nimo? Usahay ang goal sa funnel is just to funnel people to a webinar, to make them sign up to a course, make them buy something na physical. So it depends. So ang point lang ato is ang bird's eye view, murag focus ka sa overall goal while also seeing all the other details in the picture. And mga hard skills, you can develop this on your own through the help of experience and or coaching, or marketing, copywriting, sales knowledge. And also, unta, divert ato ang very negative connotation sa sales because sa ato ang manggod traditionally, wala kay gina-encourage ang mahimong seller. Mura gina-look down pag ganin ang mga online selling, ang uban. Pero kuan ka dako kay ginansya ng mga uban dira. Kay the more na maduol ka sa sales man good, the higher of chances that na mag income kag dako. So even in jobs na duol ka sa sales like kaning copywriting, kanang mga sales manager, diya gyud nimo makita ang value kay irreplaceable magud ka sa client kay ga-bring in ka og new customers which means money. So lisod ka i-replace. Now, These systems, I will not be going over all of them in detail, but these are some of the most powerful sales funnel system na makita niyo sa industry na to, sa Google, or kung mag-search mo, gini mo gawas. ClickFunnels, GHL, Go High Level, we have a course for that. You can sign up. Ontraport, more on CRM ni siya, pero when I tried this, they also have like automations na kanang makakuta og utok. Kay kinahanglan nimo na kay support pod sa ilahang database because daily siya sa yun kung wala pa ka na-expose sa mga automations. HubSpot, one of the best email marketing tools around. Keep, now it's Infusionsoft, more on email po ni siya, pero overall nahimo na siyang generic marketing tool. Lead Pages, more on landing pages. Kartra works the same as Kajabi, murag course siya. Pero naapod siya laing functions na murag mahimo po siyang GHL. So, that's it. I wanna intro you to, if you haven't taken the Intro to Copywriting course, mo yung mga things that you will learn in there. Fundamentals of persuasive copywriting, 2 modules on market research and competitor research, because as I've told you, ang role sa copywriter, not just to write, we have to assemble copy. So in order to do that, we have to research deeply about our market and their competitors para makita nato ang mga winning methods na ilang ginagamit and magagamit nato to sa ato ang mga copy na ginahatag sa ato mga clients. And learning copywriting systems para tanang imong ipang-assemble na copy dali ra nimo ma-retrieve, plus timeless frameworks pod na hello kagawad imong mama. 3 timeless frameworks na magamit nimo in any platforms. Right now I'm developing another level, copywriting 2.0, but this is not yet live. I'm just telling you that it could be in a few weeks from now. I have not included this in the intro because murag advanced level skills na siya. Kani mga AI tools, as a copywriter, murag masayunan ka gamit og AI tools because naana kay fundamentals, basics, so mas dali na sa imong mag-prompting sa kaning mga chat GPT and all other relevant tools. And mas mapaspas imong writing ability. Email copywriting and marketing, I'll be able to introduce you to the systems, frameworks po dira, best case and use scenarios. And mga niches and industries that pay top dollars, not just email. I've included email here, pero it's not just email na taas kayo ang expectations. There are many others. Learn sales pages and funnels as a copywriter, marketer, and the entire copywriting project lifecycle from start to finish. How to get clients, how to retain them, how to make sure that you onboard and offboard them properly, how to get feedback loops in order for you to get recurring clients, and all of that. And also, you get to decide what else to add. Kung naapa mo'y laing mga butang dira nga gusto ninyo i-butang sa next level sa course. Labi na itong mga nakapurok 1 to 3. And currently katong current na nagatake sa copywriting intro. Let me know so we could incorporate that in the future iterations of the course and sa 2.0. So right now, we'll open the floor for question and answer. Let me know. Natay bagong participants. Hi kay Miss Karin murag
Ay, coach.
naka-join gyud ka. Maayong gabi.
Oo, gani.
Sorry guys sa technical troubles. I was meaning to like start 7 o'clock sharp. Kay wala gyud siya natuman. Sorry kaayo guys. So live Q&A natatanggalan ako ni akong screen ha. Para pwede mo mong pakita sa inyo mga lovely faces, mga ma'am ug sir. Any questions about what we've just covered? Go. Ano ka? Very hilim ka sila. Sorry kung na-overwhelm mo guys. Let me know kay hello. Kay Hana from Purok 1, Purok 1. Si Sir Ronnie. Hello. Nakita tong bibi. Okay. From Ayam. unsay effects sa AI sa copywriting. Most probably think of AI as a tool. So mura og mahimo siyang work smarter na ka, dili na harder. Because it will help you with research probably faster. It will help you write articles faster. Murag think
Si
of it
ate
as
po gawa
something
sa
that
tuwang
will
TV.
help you in the long run to become a smarter copywriter. So, mao lang to usually ang mahimong effect. I do not discourage using AI, but you have to know how to use that properly in order to help you become a better copywriter, freelancer, VA in general. Yes, tama yun imong mama. Magamit sa tanan service ang funnel. Even if offline pa na, kung mag-adto mo sa mga showrooms, mag-adto mo sa mga actual mall stores and stalls, naman yun ay funneling na mahitabo. Kung palit mo sa ilang produkto, mag-ingon na sila, Ma'am sir, i-like po mi ang among page karon para kung naamoy reviews, pwede mo magbutang dira. So, part sa funnel na siya. Wala lang ka nakabantay ato pero na funnel na di ay mo ato kung mag-like mo sa ilang page. So mo to, very practical ang funnel knowledge. If you know how funnels work, murag mas maduol ka sa actual sales and conversion. So any more questions? Hopefully nakatubag kung tama sa imong question. I am. Kato mga naapay laing questions kung wala sila nakaabot gyud, I think sila Miss Karin wala siya kaabot sa sugod. I'll try to post this. Abot kung mag-undang na ba ning meeting na to. Nay naga-timer sa ko ang screen. 4 minutes to go. Tapos kung naay mag-undang na gyud ni karon, i-post lang nato ang live sa group. Exclusive lang yapon dito kay gi-record man ako siya. Wala na ba tayo questions? Katong mga gikan sa mga unang purok kasi naamoy questions. Yes, kaga. How about in terms of originality? Need ba nga original imo content in copywriting? Yes and no, because as I have mentioned, mo assemble lang mong gyud copy. So, when I say assemble, mukuha ka og mga butang na winning na murag proven and tested na nga mga frameworks, proven and tested na nga mga words and terms, tapos i-combine na nimo sila sa company branding, sa ilang voice, sa imong na research about the target audience, kung unsay moangay sa ilang language. Because in this world, wala nang very original na idea. Almost tanan rehash na from previous na mga models. So, probably ang originality na lang diri is kanang how you mix it up with whatever it is that's working now, katong mga proven and tested na mga winning methods before, and sa mga current nga karon kay sa strategies dili man gyud na siya mag-change even if kaning mga generations behind na ta or generations ago na yung mga strategies before na still working now. Ang maglahi naman gud ang tactics, ang techniques how to do those strategies. Like for example, kaning advertising, this is an overall strategy that many companies use, pero ang mode of advertising na to nagalahi na, nag-change na from before ano lang kanang mga physical products or TV. Wait lang, na-sign out ko. Tingala ko ay
Dahil paliw ko kay Ma'am Raj dahil. Kaya para
so
makastamp siya.
kinsa tong nag-raise og hand?
Ano na, katong gamito naman kaya itong 19. O katong ko, ako ko,
Mute ka ma. Sorry. Kinsa to yung nag-raise og hand? Wala pa yata ako nahuman sa akong thought. So, mo to. Yes, thank you. ang tactics gyud ang mga lahi kay different na ang modes of advertising nato karon na anay social media, Google, so moto. Who else? Naana tay 1 minutes and 37 seconds. We'll have to end this kung wala. What was Wads, what was the best funnel na nakita? Unsay future sa copywriting you think unusable sa VA industry in terms of memorability? Best funnel on top of mind. Even though dili siya traditional, dili siya kaning digital copywriting, katong mga kung fan mo atong NFL na sila murag advertising every year yun na usually ang mga funny dito na mga ads mahimo to siyang memorable because due to the humor, effective yung kayang humor. Wala ko laing maisip best funnel na nakita na ako so far. Pero if you wanna review, I think best tuon mo atong kay ClickFunnels, Russell Brunson. Siya tong murag founder. Unsay future sa copywriting you think usable sa VA industry? I don't know if I'll be sufficiently able to answer that in 11 seconds. So kung dili, ibutang na ako sa video response to you and ibutang na ako sa group. So bye-bye guys!